before I begin, I would like you to know that AIM Global Business is only for people with open mind. Because this is an international business. And what I'm about to share with you right now are only for people who think big. People with big dreams and open for opportunities. And if you cannot focus on watching this video, then I ask you to stop it right now and do something else. Okay? Because what I'm about to share with you is not for people with small mind. This is for people who think big. People who are thinking out of the box. People that are tired of poverty and people who want to change their life for the better. Because this AIM Global Business System is creating millionaires in just a short period of time. Some people that join this business even become millionaires within a year, and some within a month. This is the system that I am doing, and this is what I'm about to share with you right now. Drop all that you're doing and focus only on me. Because after this video, I'm sure that you will be getting back on me and thank me for this wonderful opportunity that I have shared onto you. Okay? So let's begin, my friend. I will start from the introduction of our company. So our company is Alliance in Motion Global. A billion-peso company and it's already 11 years in the industry. We have gotten so many awards, including a Guinness Book of World Records, that we hit at our 10th year anniversary of the largest arena in the world, the Philippine Arena, with 55,000 AIM Global members attending the event worldwide. Our partner is Nature's Way, a billion-dollar company. It's the #1 supplement manufacturer in the USA and already 50 years in the industry. So, this just proves the stability of our company and shows how big AIM Global is. So now, how can you earn in this business using the AIM Global system? Okay, first, you need to register in order to have a license to do this business. For this international business, the registration fee is only 880 kina. Very small capital, but big business. For only 880 kina, you will now have the potential to earn big in this business. The potential to earn 10,000 kina or more per month. Again, this is not for small minds. You need to think big and not settle with just the 10,000 kina. You can make it more bigger and earn more than that. But how? Okay, listen to this, my friend. When you register for 880 kina, the company will give you a global package. And inside that global package is #1, 947 kina worth of products. So that's your return on investment. #2, you will receive a business kit that you will be using on how to run the business. #3 is an ATM or bank ID. This is where you will withdraw your income when you start in this business. And #4, the license to do this business and start to earn. So okay, how to earn in AIM Global? There are 6 ways to earn in AIM Global, but I will only be showing you the 3 main ways on how to do this business. #1 is retailing. When you become a member of AIM Global, you will get 25 up to 50% discount on all of the products that you will get from the company. And the good news is, it has no quota. So if you do not want selling and don't want to sell anything, it's okay. Just focus on the second and third ways to earn. #2 ways to earn is the direct referral bonus. When you register to AIM Global, your online account will be created. And in your online account, you will have your left sales force and your right sales force, wherein the company will give you 70 kina for every person that you refer to join this business. So let's say you invited 2 of your friends and you put 1 on your left and 1 on your right side of your account. Then the company will give you 70 kina for this and another 70 kina for this. So imagine, what if you invited 10 of your friends? What if you invited 10 of your friends in a week to also join this business? Then the company will give you 700 kina. Is it good or very good? Yes, it's very good. But wait, my friend, there's more. What I am most excited about is the 3rd ways to earn this business. This is where AIM Global Business created millionaires in just months. So focus on what I am about to show you right now, as this is the most important part in this business. Focus on this. The 3rd way is the match sales bonus. Whenever system find a match, the company will give you 105 kina So what does that mean? For example, this is you. And you invited your friend A, you put him on your left side. You will earn 70 kina from the direct referral bonus. And you invited your friend B, and you put her on your right side. Again, you will earn 70 kina from the direct referral bonus. So a total of 140 kina from the direct referral bonuses. And this is the beauty of our business, my friend. This is the match sales bonus. Whenever the system finds one person on the left and one person on the right, it will match. And the company will give you additional 105 kina. So from the two friends that you invited, you will earn a total of 210 kina. Is that good or very good? Yes, it's very good. Imagine, my friend, what if within a month, your whole group here on the left invited 100 people to join, and your group on the right also invited 100 people and join. So as I'm saying a while ago, whenever the system finds one person on the left and one person on the right, it will match. Even if you don't know that person, even if you're not there, even if you're not the one invited them to join, the company will still give you 105 kina on every match. So how much will you earn on this? 100 people on the left and 100 people on the right. That's 100 match, my friend, a total of 10,500 kina per month. Imagine, you're earning that amount of money per month from AIM Global. Can you buy what you want now? That car and that house? No? Still not enough? What if your whole group on the left accumulated 1,000 people? And your whole group on the right also accumulated 1,000 people? My friend, that's 1,000 match. And you will be flooded with 105 kina, 105 kina, 105 kina, 105 kina, 105, 105, 105. It up to infinity, my friend. So many 105 kina. Can you help your family now? Will your loved ones be happy in what you've done? What would your life be like? And what would your life look like? So imagine, what would your life look like if you decided to act on your dreams? And what would your life be like if you decided to join AIM Global? So again, my friend, this opportunity is for people with big dreams and people who want to change their life for the better. Because when opportunity knocks, don't let fear hold you back. Open the door and embrace the opportunity that has come forth. AIM Global has already created 3,000 millionaires from the past 10 years and still creating more from these coming years. So don't let yourself get behind. We are already expanding in Papua New Guinea. This is now the right time to start. AIM Global Business is for people with dreams and for people who take action. So my question now is this, my friend.